Good afternoon, all. Is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you all. Thank you for your acknowledgement. So once again, good afternoon to one and all. And again, I wholeheartedly welcome you all to the valedictory session of this online FTP sponsored by Atal Academy. So now I'd like to request the controller of examinations of GIET University, Dr. P. Vijay Kumar, to kindly address our noble audience.
Thank you, madam. Good afternoon to one and all present here. First of all, let me congratulate the Department of ECE for conducting this 5-day online faculty development program on latest technological developments for system on chip applications from 26th July to 30th July 2021, sponsored by AICTE Atal Academy. I'm also very happy to be part of this FDP. Moreover, I believe that the participants would have enjoyed all the sessions of this FDP and also gained a good quantum of knowledge and understanding of the new concepts and latest technologies for system on chip applications. I understand that this FDP will be more beneficial to faculty members and research scholars who intend to participate research in the field of VLSI. I wish the department to conduct many more FDPs like this to spread the knowledge among the faculty members and the researchers by establishing a lab on SOC and embedded systems. Thank you all.
Well, thank you so much, Vijay sir, for your supporting as well as advisable words. Definitely, as per your advice, we will definitely try to create a lab or to establish a lab upon this SOC. Thank you so much for your words. Next, I'd like to invite Dr. Subhrajit Pradhan, HOD, Electronics Engineering, GIT University, to address our participants.
Thank you, ma'am. In the outset, I'd like to thank all the participants, GIT management, faculty members, staff members, news media, and at the end, I'd like to thank AICT for giving us the opportunity for organizing Atal FDP program in our department. We have gone through this program. We hope all the students, all the participants, they have got the requirement knowledge, and also we are planning to do some more research on system on chip, which is in demand technology nowadays. So I'd like to congratulate the total team and coordinator of the program, Dr. Sasank Raut, for successfully organizing the FDP, 5 days FDP in our department. We hope this kind of participation will get from all the concerned, like from participants, faculty member, staff, and all the supporting staff also. Once again, I'd like to thank the management, Register sir, President sir, Vice President sir, Dean Academic sir, Vice Chancellor, Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, for allowing us for organizing this kind of program in our department. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your appreciation. We definitely need such type of appreciable words for our motivation. Thank you so much. Well, now it's the time for us to to show our gratitude to all the speakers, to all the participants, to all the faculty members, to all the authorities. Definitely, it had been This had been a pretty long time. It had been since 5 days. We are here attending this FTP on SOC applications, which is sponsored by Atal Academy. And definitely we learned a lot of ideas. We learned a lot of informative ideas. Let me add that adjective, adjective, informative ideas, new ideas. And this session was really technical, informative, and many new ideas we got to know. Well, I'd like to thanks our management for their immense support. In addition, I would also like to show my deepest gratitude to all the academicians and authorities of our university for their guidance as well as support. And very importantly, I'd like to show my immense gratitude to all the research persons as well as the persons from the industries who shared their informative ideas, their mottos with us. So definitely, I'd like to thank first of all Professor Dr. Sudeep Das Gupta from IIT Roorkee, then Mr. Asif Mohammed, CMO, Prodigy Innovations, Professor Dr. Devi Prasad Priyabrata Acharya from NIT Rourkela, Dr. Kaushik Guha from NIT Silchar, Dr. Ambika Prasad Shah from Indian IIT Jammu, Professor Dr. Ajit Kumar Panda, ECOE from Bhubaneswar, Professor Dr. Mariam Sojai Bhagini, IIT Mumbai, Dr. Subhrajit Pradhan, GIT University Gunpur, Mrs. Sharmila Garnaik from VSS UT Bulla, Dr. Shubhankar Majumdar from NIT Meghalaya, Dr. Ranjan Kumar Barik from Thales Group, France, Dr. Shashank Shekhar Raut from GIET University, Gunpur, Mr. Ranjit CV from Philips India Limited, Pune, and Dr. Ashish Raman from NIT Jalandhar. So these were the different research persons as well as the persons from industries who shared their ideas, their work with us, and which made this session quite pretty much informative session. Then I would also like to thank all our participants without whom this session would not have been possible, because it is your participation, you are here, you are the audience and you are listening, and also we discussed, you also asked so many questions, queries, so it was a discussive, so we can say this was a discussive session also. So without the participants, this FTP would not have been possible. So I really express my deepest gratitude to all the participants, in addition to all the faculty members, technical members, non-technical members who are involved directly or indirectly in this FTP. Thank you so much, all of you, for your cooperation and support till now. And now I'd like to request all of the audiences as well as dignitaries to kindly turn on their video for some time so that we can capture pretty moment of us. Well, thank you all. Thank you all for this support also. So we captured a beautiful, a pretty moment of ours in this technical session. Thank you all. And now I'd like to request our audience because their advices, their feedbacks, they are also very, very important, really very important. So I'd like to request our audience, if they have any kind of suggestions, if they want to give any feedback, then they can directly talk here, or they can drop their advices in the chat box. I'd like to request any audience, if anybody is interested, kindly share your thoughts, your feedbacks directly with us. We are here to listen, and we are here to accept all your advices. And if possible, you can also use the chat box and you can drop your thoughts, your advices.
Okay, thank you, madam. And myself, M. Suresh from NSP Barampur. And actually, thanks to the Department of ECE GIT University for organizing such a wonderful workshop. Actually, in the short span of time, you have organized around 14 speakers. And what I found from this FDB, that each and every session was organized particularly by maintaining the timings and all. Actually, I have attended a few online FDPs, but they are going to, some kind of delays are going to happening. But this FDP, entire 5 days, I saw that every session is organized perfectly. And for that, I congratulate all the members who are organizing people for this department, as well as the university JIT. So thank you for organizing such a wonderful workshop. Thank you.
It's our pleasure, sir, and it's a pleasure, sir, and thank you very much for appreciating our work. And for your means, for it is only because of our participants as well as our resource persons that we were able to handle all the sessions on time. Thank you so much. If anybody else want to convey any advice, then he or she may directly talk, or may drop their advices in the chat box. Thank you. We are also checking the chat box. Thank you so much for all your appreciations, for all your supportive words. Definitely, we are also feeling great and positive when we are seeing your supportive comments, appreciative comments. Thank you so much, my dear participants. Thank you for your participation. And finally, I'd like to convey my deepest gratitude to Dr. Shashank Shekhar Raut for coordinating this session and handling it perfectly. Thank you so much, sir. And finally, dear audience, I would like to hand over the session to Dr. Shashank Shekhar Raut. He is going to guide you regarding the test, and he is also going to guide you regarding the different rules for giving the test, as well as sending the feedbacks. Okay, thank you all. This is all from my side. Now the session will be handed over to Dr. Shashank Shekhar Raut.
Yeah, well, thank you very much, ma'am, for the helping in the 5 days program, inaugurating to starting to your in particular validator function. And thanks to all the participants already, those are already present here. So now the time for the test. So I'm coming for 1 minute for the particular test. Okay, thank you very much to once again. So am I able to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So okay, fine. So before going to the particular test, so I want to say one thing here because I have to submit the particular report, all these things, feedbacks, all these things to AICT. So those are interested, you can also send me in particular my particular email ID. like the feedback, and also there is a WhatsApp group. Also, you can drop a feedback. That's how you can submit that to the particular AICT. And the particular test is what? For 20 questions, 40 marks, individual 2 marks. Some type of problematic is also there. Only 2-3 problems are there, so you have to solve that one. And it is also basic parts. And in that 5 days program, what you learn from that also, it is some types of questions also there. So it is like that, not so difficult. So I think so you will solve in meantime. I am also providing the link here. So I want to announce one thing here. So as next in 4 to maximum to 4 days, I will try to my best to update the attendance and marks. And after that updating the attendance, it will show to me to update your marks also. And at the meantime, you can send a feedback form as in the Audit portal already there. You can check in the particular profile. There is a particular we can say that the feedback is there. You have to submit the feedback form. Without submitting the feedback form there only, we cannot receive the certificate. So in the feedback form, it is given as number 1 to 5. So you have to only mark as 1 is the lowest, 2 is the upper one, like to highest is 5. Those have already attended and those have already gone through it, so they know. But those are newcomers for that particular Audit portals. I am saying for that point of view. So as well as you are doing the test and I am updating the attendance and the marks, so you have to update the feedback form and you have to submit the feedback form. There only you can achieve the certificate from the Audit Academy. It is not from my side or my GIT also. It is only from the Audit Academy. So that point of view, you just fill the feedback. That's important. And those are some in the WhatsApp group asking about the PPT and some type of the materials, whatever already learned that things. So up to what I have already found 4 to 5 PPT that already uploaded in the particular website. Just check your portal. There is important document is there in the session. Just check it. There is all the things already updated. You can just go through it. You can download it. So I cannot send individual one by one. So those are referring that one. You can go through it. So just now I am sending the link there. It is a Google form. So just your time is let's say it is 4. So exactly at 6. Is the material there? Yeah. Thank you, Vidya Vinod ji. And I can say that it is exactly let's 4. So exactly at 6 p.m. I will stop the response. So kindly cooperate for that particular answer. So just it is a Google form. So if you try to in half an hour, you can solve it, no problem. Still, those are busy. All the faculty members are busy in the meantime. You can also take your time. So in 2 hours, you have to submit the answer. I'll stop exactly 6 p.m. I will then after it will not be counted on. So that's why, and remember that 60% marks is mandatory for the getting the certificate, and attendance is 80%. So that point of view, exactly one thing. A very good question. Remember, when you are giving the particular answers in the particular test, the name, your particular mail ID, everything is mentioned. Name should be perfect as whatever already registered in the Audit portal. Right, so it is mandatory. And the email ID, those have already registered, just give that mail ID. That was some confusing because as you are giving your name in different way here only, and that is registered that different way. Whatever you registered, that is showing to me. So I can give the attendance in that point of view. So better you write the particular name as you mentioned in the Audit portal, so that I can give the particular mark and the attendance. So I am just sending the particular test Google form in the chat box, so you can go through it. So any doubt, anyone, you can ask. So already it is in the chat box. Let me know. Okay, thank you.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Sridhar ji.
Sir, unable to fill the feedback form, sir.
Which one, sir?
Feedback
Which session?
form.
Feedback means which?
it's
That means in the
overall.
hotel portal.
Well, yeah.
No,
Yes.
you can now you can avail what?
Sir, it's asking about second best resource person faculty. This field is required, but unable to choose the person.
Okay, just wait. Maybe the time is up to 5:10 or 5. So after that you can. Don't do
Okay,
now.
sir. Okay, sir.
Don't do now because you have to. Your time is up to 5 now. So you have the third session is going on. Last
Okay,
session.
okay.
So
Okay, sir.
better you attend the particular test. You have time, sufficient time. You have 4
Okay, sir.
days, or you can make the when you will submit that one. Then after that, the particular certificate will be there.
Okay,
So
sir.
better
Okay,
wait
sir.
first. So maybe it is the perfect. Already I have updated the timing now. That's why maybe it is not by the particular ATL group.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any doubt, anything? And you can mail me a feedback also. Also, you can drop a mail, drop a particular message, the chat box in the particular WhatsApp group also. I try my best to complete the particular session in time, and also linked with the industry persons and the particular academic sessions. So I will try my best to upload all the sessions, PPT or PDF, whatever will available to me. And I will try, because as it already recorded all these things, because it cannot be shared as it is, the size is too large. Still, I will try, as I will compress whatever may be. I will update all these things in the portal. So better you download there only, those are interested. Any doubt or any solution like that? I think the test link is working. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The link is
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all. So also the particular session is will wait for up to 6 p.m. Okay, so in the meantime, you have to submit the particular test, and up to 5 will wait in the platform. So any query, whatever, we can receive here. Yeah, Rahul ji, can I get the video? Actually, it is I like some MB format. So I will try. I will make the link, and then I will try to send in the group, or I can mail you.
Sir,
But
so should we leave now?
Yes, sure. Those have already completed the particular test, or you have the link, then you can
I
leave.
have
No
the
problem.
link. Yeah, I have the link.
Okay. But if once you going through means you have leave the group means you have no the particular Google form means I cannot help you next time. That's why for that point of view we check it.
No, I have checked it. I have opened the form, Google form, and
Okay.
I have written down my name in it. And now, should I leave or not?
So actually you should be here only. Actually, so can you wait for half an hour maximum?
Okay, I will. No
So
problem.
better will at least we'll wait for 4:30. Then you can leave the group.
Okay, sir.
Some
Thank you.
urgency, then yes,
And
the
it was a
urgency
very
you can.
good FDP, sir. It was a very
Yeah,
good FDP.
yeah. Thank you very much. It's my pleasure. I tried my best because it's the first
No,
FDP.
that was very good, sir. Very good.
Okay,
It's
as I'm the VLSA background, so I try my best, and in the meantime, I will try the next the advance also the FDP.
okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yeah. Niveda, Niveda. Okay, fine. To which mail should I send the answer? So which one is already registered in the ATL portal? In that particular mail ID, you have to. But the name should be perfect one, because in the particular attendance and the answer, it is showing your name. So don't change your name.